Hello and welcome to AMPRO. This short video will show us how to create a recurring job. Simply select recurring jobs, select new, enter in a description. Now picture this as the top of the filing cabinet where you see all the labels. So when you see this description, you will see it in this listing. For our washers, now if it's a reading base, we could go every 1,000 or 100 hours here. Time-based, we tick time-based and we select every 3 months. Now, recommend for small services, up to 12 months. Lead time's not required because AMPRO is going to look into the future anyway, and we'll discuss that in a different video. As this is the first recurring job for a washer, then there is no parent. Job type is PM. And then you can just populate these informations as you require. Normally PM is happy with as long as it gets done within CUI or when it's due. And we put in the job description. Keep it simple like that. Estimated duration. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is put in the assets that it's attached to, and we can do this two ways. We can manually add the assets one at a time. It's a simple matter of just going select, add, going down to find your washer. The other way, and a way that will allow automatic adding in the future, is to create a rule that tells this recurring job what you want. So we create a filter, in this case it's a rule, where we go and say, well, where the asset type, we'll keep this a simple filter, equals washer. We save that and we go run rules, and it will go and find all the asset types of that particular asset type. Now you notice there's only one here, is because we've already added one of them manually. So we add those in. AMPRO requires to know when was the last service, so it can tell you when it's next due. If we want to see this in the next few days, then we have to backdate it for the period of the service. And we can say that this one was done last month. So as many assets as you require attached, all done at different dates, so AMPRO will give you different jobs. We then add the instructions, go add, and so on. You can add as many instructions as you require. We can add the labor type. In other words, what type of labor do we need? We can select fitter. If you have a contract and you have a contractor to do this work, you could actually attach the actual name of the contractor. So then when the job's created, they're already added to the job. Add the parts that's required. Which store you're going to take it from. And so on down there, and add all the parts that's required. You can attach a file, and that can be the service instructions, it could be a service sheet, it could be photographs. So that's how easy it is to create a recurring job.